In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your comp with a proper alpha channel using the right node. By the end, you'll have a clean image sequence that preserves transparency, ready for editing, grading, or 3D pipelines. First, add a right node. The quickest way is to press Tab, start typing right, and hit Enter. This node is your final output stage. Everything you want to render must flow into it. Once it's created, connect the right node to the very end of your node tree so it receives the finished result of your comp. Open the right node's properties and set a file path. Choose a destination folder and type a file name. If you're rendering an image sequence, use frame padding like output.4d.png or output.4d.xr. That for4d tells the renderer to number frames with 4 digits, 001, 002, and so on, so sorting stays consistent across your whole shot. Next, choose a format that supports alpha. Good options are PNG, TIFF, or EXR. PNG is common for 8-bit or 16-bit deliverables. TIFF is flexible for higher quality needs, and EXR is the industry standard for high dynamic range and deep compositing workflows. Pick what fits your pipeline, but make sure the format can store transparency. In the right node properties, set the channels drop down to RGBA. This is crucial. It ensures the alpha channel is included alongside red, green, and blue. If you leave this at RGB, you'll render color only and lose transparency. Now confirm your comp actually has an alpha channel. If your pipeline generates a matte, verify it's present. If not, you can define it with a shuffle node by routing your desired matte into the alpha. Without a meaningful alpha, your output will be fully opaque or fully transparent, even if the file format supports it. Set your frame range, match it to your timeline, or specify the start and end frames you need. This avoids rendering too many frames or missing part of your shot. When everything looks correct, render the sequence. Go to the top menu, choose Render, and select Render All. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on Mac OS. The render will process each frame to the folder you set. After it completes, your sequence should be numbered correctly and include the alpha channel ready to drop into any application that supports transparency.